Hey my lovely lock minions, thank you for tuning in. If you like what you've seen at the beginning of this video, stay tuned and continue watching how to make a quick and easy top knot with some bangs so you can be bangin'licious with some lock-liciousness. Thank you for tuning in for the locks for you to love. First, you're gonna need some spray. This is a concoction with water and aloe vera juice. You're gonna spray it all over your hair, get it moist and ready for style. Then you're gonna separate the front of your hair. I have a large amount. I want enough because I want to make a bang. And I'm leaving some hair on the side. So I just take this rubber band, put it over like this. Next, you're gonna get another rubber band and you're gonna size your bang. So I'm gonna try to do the bang how I like. Start moving pieces around. You adjust to your liking, how you like your hair. It's what makes you happy. So I'm gonna stop right about here and put another rubber band over about right there. Now, in the midst of this bang, I'm gonna start adjusting a little bit. So my longer pieces, I start moving to the end so I can frame my face a little bit. It's a long piece. It's a thick piece. Okay. About where I want it. Now I'm gonna take my sides here and I'm gonna wrap it around to create my top knot. I'm gonna take this right here and we're going to, oh, there's a piece sticking out here. We gotta fix that. I don't know where you came from. You're gonna fix that. Anyways, you're gonna take that piece and you're gonna tie it one time. I left enough space, so all I have to do is tuck this in, tucking the extra hair in about right here. Then I have my top knot. Then I'm gonna take one more rubber band to secure it. But before I secure it, I want to play around with my bang. And then make sure if there's any pieces sticking out, that when I put the rubber band over, it will get those pieces. Yeah, buddy. Yeah. So in the process, so there's a reason why I have this out, because you can pull and adjust to your liking. And there you go. You got your top knot bang. You can move the bang to the side and have like a little cute little thing going on here. Or you can have it in your face, which I like it in my face. And you can pull it to the side. You can even put this in a ponytail if you want. Or you can wear it down. I prefer it down to the side. And there is your bang. I call this a top knot with a bang. So easy. Doesn't require a lot, because I watch a lot of videos and try to incorporate bangs that don't require a lot of work, and this is what I came up with. So I hope this helped you. And if you like this video, don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and go back to my channel and look for some more videos to get some tips, tricks, and ideas to look locklicious. Thank you for tuning in for Locs for you to love.